Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit your website on Hostinger. I am now inside my Hostinger website builder. In order to edit your website header, first click on the header section, then go to edit header. As you can see, you can play with many settings like the link spacing between navigation. You can also edit the top and bottom spacing. I want to keep it like that. You can also edit the placement of your header elements. I want the logo to be centered like that. You can make your header sticky or not sticky. From the Elements tab, you can show or hide some elements like the logo, the social icons, and also this button. And from the logo tab, you can replace your website logo. You can select it from your computer and also adjust your logo width. From the style tab, you can edit the style of many elements like the header, the button, or the social icons. Let's edit the style of the header. You can make your header transparent. You can also change the text font of your header. For example, I can make it bold, or the header text color. As you can see, now the navigation text is changed to blue. I want to keep it black. You can also edit the style of this button. Just select it from this list. You can edit the text button to newsletter, for example. You can link it to a page. I will link it once I created the newsletter page. You can also link it to our email address, phone number, or file download. You can edit the fill color. For example, I want it to be orange, just like that. For the text size, I want to make it a little bit bigger. And for the text color, I want it to be black, just like that. You can also play with the border width and also the radius. When you select the social icons from this list, you can edit the placement or the order of the social icons. You can also edit your social links. You can also delete some if you don't have them. And you can edit the social icons size or the icon's color. Adding a sticky bar to your website is easy. First, just hover over this header section, then click on Add Sticky Bar. Double click this text, then fill in your text. For example, subscribe to our newsletter for the latest tips, tutorials, and exclusive offers. Join now. To make this join now text clickable, you can copy, for example, you can copy any link, copy it, select the text, go to edit on your browser and hit paste. As you can see now, let's preview this one. For example, we are now in the preview mode. This text is not clickable, but this is a link. Now go back to the editor and make it bold. As you can see, my header and also the sticky bar are sticking. So I want only the sticky bar to be sticking. To do that, go back to the editor, click on the header section, then edit header, and uncheck or disable the make header sticky. Hit save, then preview. Now only the top sticky bar is sticky. Now let's see how to edit your website homepage. Let's say we want to edit this background photo. Just click on this section, then go to edit section. For the background, you can select between a video, an image, or a color. I will go with an image. Click on replace. You can use your already uploaded media from my library, or you can use AI to generate a new image for you, or go with free images from the Unsplash service. Let's say I want to go with this photo, add to page. Here you can edit the overlay opacity and choose a fixed background. Always hit save to not lose your editing. For the text, you can place it wherever you want, or same thing with the button. Let's say to edit the size of this photo, you can make it bigger just like that. To edit the text, just to double click the text, and you can use a link to a page from your blog or your website. You can also edit this button to send people to a specific section of a page, or you can select them to email you. Now I want to edit the style to make the text size bigger. And you can play with the color, text color, or the fill color. For the fill color, I want it to be orange. Let's scroll down a little bit. As you can see, this section is the latest blog posts. What I want to do is to use 3 columns instead of just 2. Now my next blog post will be showing here. I want to hide this preview text. To do that, click on edit blog list, go to style. As you can see, I can hide the featured image, title. For the description, I don't like it. Publishing date, I also will hide it. You can edit the text size. What this section or the latest post section lacks is a big title, something like latest post. In order to do that, click on add elements to, then select text. As you can see, I can't add a text element here. So what I will do is to add a new section, select blank section, then move it up, resize the section height, then add the text section in our new blank section. Now double click the text, latest posts, and this is how to make your websites more readable. Let's say we are not interested with this section, we can select it, then hit delete. This is a good section to start with. What I want to do is to make it a contact me section. In order to do that, I will edit the text first. Contact me, connect with me using this form. Then I will delete these elements. I can keep my email. This download field, I want to name it first name. Click on the form first, then edit form. And from the fields tab, you can open the download and give your field label a new name. For example, I want to first name. Enter your name. For the adventure, I want it to be your email. So I will open adventures. I will call it your email address. And for the stars, I will call it your message. For the name field, I want it to be required. And for the button, I want it to say send your message, and this is what will after sub. Now close this window. As you can see, all the fields are required. Let's see how to edit your website footer. This is the footer of your website. I will first edit my blog name. Then I can to edit your social icons links, just click on edit social icons. Then from here you can either edit your social links or delete a platform, for example. You can also play with the icon size and also the layout. To edit the footer background color, click on edit section, then select color, and from this little color icon you can go with your preferred. I want it to be gray, for example. I want to delete this text. What I want to do is to add links to legal pages. What I want to do is to add elements here. First, select your heading because this is just a paragraph. Go with paragraph 1. For example, terms and conditions. Make it the color, I want it to be white. Place it first, then duplicate it. Privacy policy. This is my two legal pages, and this is how to edit your website footer. Adding legal pages in Hostinger website builder is easy. First, you need to go to pages and navigation. Then click on add page. Scroll down to privacy policy. Click on it. Fill in your company name, for example, Ben's Adventures LLC. Your website name and email address are already filled for you. Click on add page. As you can see, this is your privacy policy text already made for you. Click on save to not lose your changes. Same thing with the terms and conditions page. Fill in your company name, Adventures LLC, website address. You can edit your website address from here. Adventures.com. This is my email. Add page. Now click first on update your website. Now that these two pages are published, go back to your footer, then select your legal pages text in order to link them. This is for terms and conditions. First select page, then look for the terms and condition page. Hit save. As you can see, now it is turned to a link. Same thing with the privacy policy. And now update your website. Let's preview it live. And now links to my legal pages are added to the footer. Your legal pages are automatically added to your navigation. In order to remove them from the navigation, it's simple. Go back to your website editor, click on pages and navigations, then select the pages you want to hide from the navigation and drop them in this hidden from navigation. As you can see, they are not showing anymore in the navigation. Always update your website. Adding a favicon to your website built using Hostinger Website Builder is easy. First, go to Website Settings, click on General Settings, and as you can see, you can upload it from your computer. If you don't have one, a little trick to create easy favicons is this website. It's called favicon.io. Click on Generator from the top. Since my website is called Ben's Adventures, I will go with just the letter B. You can select your favicon icon from here. I will go with black and white, or instead white and black. I like this. As you can see, you can preview it directly on your browser, then click on download. It is downloaded in a zip file. I will decompress it first, then go back to your website editor and click on add image. Upload files, then select it from your computer and hit open. Now it is downloaded to your media library. Select it and hit save. Always update your website. Let's check my website, refresh, and as you can see, my favicon is added successfully to my website.